everybody, my name is Bryan and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna teach you the song called Señorita by SHAWN Mendes and Camila Cabello. So let's start. Okay, let's start. For this one, we're gonna face to your right side. Alright, you're gonna go step to the back, slide 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're gonna go up 5, 6, and 7, down, 8. One more time. Let's do it slowly. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Alright? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Alright, next from here, you're gonna use your shoulder. 1 and 2. Alright, and chest. Drop 3, 4, 5, 6, go 7. Close up. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright? Next, from here, gonna use your knee. And 1, 2, head 3, 4. Then you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again. So 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, grab, 3, 4. Continue from here. 5, 6. So you need to stay to your right side. So shoulder right, left, then turn around. 7, and we'll change. 8. One more time. From here. 7, 8, and 1, 2. Go up, up, to the side. Hit it front, to your right, left, turn around. Stay. We'll change. 8. Cross. That's right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's start from the beginning. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around. 7, 8. Good job. One more time. 5, 6. This time faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that video. Please don't forget to subscribe and